So, ari na ta sa variable payments. So, mo ni ang steps sa pagkuha sa variable payments. So, number 1, get the present value of the annual rental of the first term of the lease by the present value of ordinary annuity using the given implicit rate. So, number 2, get the present value of the annual rental of the next term. So, ang sunod na nga term of the lease using the present value of ordinary annuity using the given implicit rate, then multiply. So, i-multiply ang result by present value of 1. So, anyway, ma-apply na nato sa illustration. Okay pa mo illustration? Laban. So, number 3. Then, add result of the first step and the second step to get the lease liability. Note, the present value of the annual rental for the next term is rediscounted using the period of the first term at the beginning of the lease. So, ang present value ko nun sa annual rental sa sunod na term kay rediscounted using the period of the first term at the beginning of the lease. So, anyway, ato na masabtan sa next page. So, here's an illustration for the variable payments. So, on January 1, 2020, an entity entered into an 8-year lease of a floor of a building with the following terms. So, annual rental for the first 3 years payable at the end of each year is 300,000. Annual rental for the next 5 years. So, the next 5 years na siya. Payable at the end of each year is 400,000. So, implicit interest rate, 10%. Present value of an ordinary annuity of 1 at 10% for 3 periods is 2.487. Present value of an ordinary annuity of 1 at 10% for 5 years is 3.791. Present value of 1 at 10% at 10 for 3 periods is 0.751. So, the lease provides neither a transfer of title to the lessee nor a purchase option. So, nasa state nga yung ana. So, anyway, number 1, step 1. Unsa to? I-multiply nato ang annual rental sa present value of ordinary annuity. So, 300,000 multiplied by present value of an ordinary annuity of 1 at 10% for 3 periods. Pila to? 2.487. So, the present value for January 1, 2020 is 746,100. Next. Sa step 2, annual rental for the next 5 years. Kato na ning ang gi-state dito ang the next term nga present value. So, 400,000 man to. So, present value of an ordinary annuity of 1 at 10% for 5 periods is 3.791. So, multiply sila. Present value for January 1, 2023 is 1,516,400. So, kaning present value of 1 at 10 for 3 periods i-multiply na po ni siya kaning 0.751 sa present value sa January 1, 2023. Mao man to na sa steps to get the variable payment. So, present value as for January 1, 2020 is 1,158,816. So, step 3, i-add na to ang result sa i-add na to ang result sa step 1, which is 746,100, o sa kining step 2, i-add na to. So, present value of annual rentals for 3 years is 746,100. Present value of annual rentals for next 5 years is 1,138,916. So, i-add silang duha. Ang result is the lease liability for January 1, 2020 is 1,884,916. So, maghimo na po tag table amortization. So, ang present value na 1,884,916 i-times na to siya sa 10%. Kaya mo man ang iyang interest. So, ang iyang annual payment kay 300,000. Whatever the difference between the payment and the interest will be your amortization. So, giminus si payment o si interest, ang amortization is 111,500. So, as of December 31, 2020, ang iyang present value is 1,515,824. Pero naan ning kuan naman siya next term. So, sa December 31, 2023, lahi na ang iyahang kuan annual payment kato ng ikaduha nga term. So 400,000. So ang iyahang present value as of January 31 2023 is 1,267,406 na. So to journal entry that right of use asset is 1,884,916. Debit. Lease liability 1,884,916. Credit. Interest expense debit 188,482 and lease liability 111,508. Debit also, and then cash 300,000 ang annual payment. So ari na po tas depreciation. Ang depreciation nga 234,615 debit, and accumulated depreciation 235,615 credit. So giunsa siya pagkuha ang 235,615 gi-divide ang 1 million ang katong present value by 8 years. So the depreciation is based on the lease term of 8 years because there is neither a transfer of title nor purchase option. Gistate bitaw to sa problem.